Hello students. So today I am going a little out of the way to clarify some of the things. Many of my students, when I ask for a feedback on my online classes at my RKF classes, so they have given lot of feedback and some of them are related to video quality and audio quality generally, but today I am going to talk about lot of other issues because most of us, because of present situation, we have to take online classes. So this is not about my online classes, it is about how to use online classes, useful tips. So how you can make best use of it. My two children are using, I am as a teacher going for online classes, video lectures. So please see few things, it will be very useful for you are a school student, you are a college student. So I have seen some videos, generally they talk about teacher's approach. So that I will see later on. So this is how as a student you can make use of online classes to the best of the way, because this has come and it will remain so for years to come. So first of the thing children talk about is video quality. Okay, so video quality, see teachers using any board. Here children, I am not talking about ICSE, CBSE board. I am talking about whiteboard, blackboard, what you see in school, green board some teacher uses, and many teachers I see in online classes, they use smart board. So any board teachers are using and they are going for YouTube. So YouTube, if your picture quality is bad, what you will do? So when the video is playing, you will see on the right corner of your video, 3 dots. So on the right corner when YouTube video is playing, click on the 3 dots, you will get 4 options will come. Report, quality, playback, help and feedback. So I am more interested in quality. So what you do, click again on quality, you will get auto, 144, 240, 360, 480, if more is there I don't know. You go for 480 because every video you have to again go back, because sometime I see 240 goes in auto, 360 goes in auto. So every time before you start, because here we need maximum clarity, because we are writing on the board. Video, my face you can see hazy, you can listen, but as far as picture quality is there, you go for highest resolution 480, then you can see everything clearly. So just go pause your video and go and check whether it is at 480 or not, otherwise this board will be very hazy for you. So please, once more, any teacher using board when they are writing, if you are watching it in YouTube, there are 3 dots on the right side corner, click on that, 4th thing will come, click on quality, go for 480, then you will get picture nicely. So before watching any YouTube video, you please follow this. Next, about audio quality, some children they write, when I ask for opinion, they say, sir, your audio quality, it needs to be more loud. Anyway, but what I tell you is either use a headphone, nice headphone, or earphones which are provided by many mobile companies. They are of very good quality. So use earphones and put the maximum volume. So there are 2 things you will get. Your audio will be clear, and secondly you will not disturb your parents and other family members. So sit in a separate place and use a headphone or earphone. So second thing, it was about video quality and audio quality. Third thing is large screen. So generally I have also 4 mobiles, some are older versions, smaller screen. Large screen for study, because you remember in classroom we have a big blackboard or green board or a smart board. So try to go for a large screen. How? Have a large screen mobile. Smart TV some children are using, laptop you can use. So if you can afford, it's not possible for everybody. So those who cannot afford, I told you this about quality, audio quality and video quality. Please go for a better mobile phone, better thing, so that you can see and understand. Because you see in classroom we have big boards for you to see. So this is my 3rd point. 4th point is pen and copy. Sit down children, you are studying, you are not watching a movie. So don't see maths like I am teaching you maths and science, I will be teaching you. Take out a copy, write, okay, when you are doing science and maths, practice whatever is said. Like when I was a student, we used to go through one maths book. I remember Mr. M.L. Khanna wrote many books. There used to say in the very beginning of the book, don't read this book. So maths is not for reading. Same thing. My videos, whatever I have put, is you don't see them like a movie, like an entertainment thing. You need to practice them, take out. So what you will do, useful tips. Next, fifth is related to this. Useful tip. Pause the video because you can see what is there. So write. And some children tell me, sir, not only we pause, we play back. Go back. See nicely until you understand. So play back the video. Go to the description box. Some details we give, what is there, what we are teaching, what links you will get. Then follow instruction. What do you mean by follow instruction? Like I teach maths. I do one video lecture. I tell this is what I am solving. These are there in solved example. If you see my videos, you will see, then I see these are the solved example you do. These are unsolved you do. So follow instruction because you need to learn. So learn concept, do unsolved, check the answer, and then you will learn it nicely. Next point is number 6, people subscribe to various channels. I am not saying you subscribe to my channel. If you find it useful, because now I am doing for ICSE, later on I may have separate for CBSE, then for competitive exam I am going to put quantitative aptitude, those who want to give competitive exam for job. So if you find it useful, so go for any channel. If you subscribe, please comment sometime or like, but for my channel I have closed comment and like. I have stopped it because of some reason, but you can share whatever asked out in my email ID at rajeshfrancis1606@gmail.com. So please share. We need your feedback to improve our quality, to know from you. So you can subscribe to those channels, those you find it useful. Please give your likes and comment, but for me they are disabled. But here in my email you can ask, share, anything. Next is if you want to see. So another point I was going through, I also see a lot of online videos. They were saying education channel, people subscribe less. I don't know why, because those which are related to technology, entertainment, cookery, people subscribe more. But remember, education is what makes our life. I'm not saying. So please, I think all of you, children and parents, you understand the value of education. So you will go more and more for educational channel and see which are useful. So next topic is related to, this topic is related to my previous one. You have to see what exam, board exam, college exam your children are going to give, or as a student you are going to give. You see syllabus, you must know previous year paper and pattern. So you have to see in YouTube which teacher is following that, who is following the syllabus, who is solving, talking about important questions, pattern. So you subscribe to those teachers, or see, if you subscribe or not, you see what they are posting, see their lecture videos. And another thing is that you should have a textbook, children. We teach, we assume that you have a textbook. If you don't have, so please try to get it. I know it's difficult. So have any standard textbook. Most of them which are prescribed by school colleges are very good. So have a textbook, follow the textbook. Okay. So, and what you will see, just I'll talk about my classes. So I have put 40 videos on maths till now. More you will see from class 6 to 10. Now I am focusing on ICSE school because I have got experience of ICSE school. 3 renowned ICSE schools I have worked. Okay, then physics, chemistry also I have put. Then competitive exams. So these are on pipeline. I am going to put. Now you will say, how many teachers? So 2 teachers. What do you mean by 2 teachers? See, as a student, my father used to, he was a good mathematician. My father used to teach, my school teacher. So generally don't rely on one. Even if you go for online classes, you can have 2 teachers, or your school teacher is there. Follow them, follow video lectures of good teachers. So if 2 teachers are teaching you one concept, no problem. One teacher may miss something, another will tell you. So there is no problem. You can have 2 or more teachers, online or offline, because our main aim is to teach you, to clarify your concept, to make you understand whatever we are teaching. So there is no problem for that. So how I approach generally. So I, as a teacher, my children, how I approach this online study, I try to make video lectures, then some selected questions I make PDF file, some answers I solve, I make a PDF file, post it on the WhatsApp. I get the feedback about my lecture videos and about whatever PDF I have sent. Then I try to make another video, or I make a WhatsApp video and I send them so that their concept is clarified. So sometimes their work also they tell. So I say make a PDF file, send it to me so I can go through, because now we are not in physical contact. So they make a PDF file, it comes to me, I go through them and I see how they are performing. So maybe, so this was for children's only, especially how students will use online classes. So if required, if there is a demand, so what was my experience as a teacher, I will put in a separate video that how from teacher's point of view we can make the video. So finally, please take care of your video and audio quality. I hope you have understood. You can copy, pause the video and copy and follow. So happy learning and teaching. Thank you, boys.